Phil Spencer, Le Cuisine et Ménage, the household chef, and today's all about omelets and scrambled eggs. Now, eggs cook very quickly, so it's important to have your mise en place, or everything you're gonna need to put this together, ready to go. That includes like some chopped up bacon or mushrooms or your grated cheese. Everything needs to be ready to go. And one of the tricks I learned a long time ago is I take the old fast food containers and I save them. Like this one here, it's perfect for putting in cheese or, sliced, diced up mushrooms. And then these little ones that are usually sauce containers I've saved, and I use those for minced garlic or salt and pepper. And so I find those very useful in helping me be ready to go. One last little trick or tip I'd like to pass along to you is before I beat the eggs, I have them in a bowl. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of water and 1 teaspoon of cream or milk per egg that I have in the bowl before I beat them. Now, when you're cooking, what happens is the water will act as steam and actually make the eggs a little bit more fluffy. And the milk enriches the dish, makes it just a bit more creamy. And so it makes the eggs takes it up a notch.